We are at the Dubai Creek Park. The weather had been amazing today. It was raining, and right now it is raining heavily. See the dark clouds, black clouds. It's been cloudy from the morning onwards. Messages appear on the electronic display boards on all the roads. Reduce speed and look for water ponds. With that said, it's been quite a while since I did a video after the new year. It's been very busy with various things and my duty timings, so didn't really get time to do the videos. So now we are going to Dubai. Where are we going? Yeah, right now we're going to the Dubai Dolphinarium, actually not to see the dolphins, but something interesting over there. The roads in Dubai is always amazing to drive, and it's, unless traffic is there, it's very smooth roads, nice, and this is one of the new flyovers has opened recently, 1 month back in Rashidia. Initially it was opened only with the one side, towards the airport side. Now the both sides it has been open to the traffic. That's when we can see that there was no rain here at all. It was heavily raining in the Mohammed bin Zayed road. However, when we reach the airport side, it is not at all raining. You can see the Emirates headquarters on the left side, the beautiful building, and the airport on the right side. The entry to the Dubai Dolphinarium is from gate number 1 of the Creek Park. So we are here now. We are at the Dubai Creek Park, and we are going inside to see the bird show. The one and only show featuring the exotic birds in the Gulf region. So we'll go inside and see the beautiful scene. Come with me. Wow. saw that? It is a beautiful thing. It was something very beautiful. They dip the girl's hands inside some liquid, and after some time again put it inside the water. Take it out as a glove. Very beautiful. We collected our ticket from the counter, and now we are waiting at the entrance for the bed show at 7:15. There is a beautiful food outlet over here. Various types of dishes and sandwiches, drinks, everything is available. It's very nice inside.
Hi sir, how many sir? Three?
Three people.
Picture first, please. Yep.
We are inside this bed show hall and waiting for the show to start. It will start at 7:15. Now it's only 7 o'clock, 5 minutes to 7. So we're waiting for that eagerly, just like you. Here they take a picture of us displaying this. We'll just pause for it, and outside we can purchase the same photos for dirhams 40. It will be just show it will show like we are holding a bird in our hand. The show is started. It just now started.
Birds have captivated the human imagination. They have inspired us to take to the skies in the form of planes, gliders, and microlights. With grace and often with vibrant colour, birds are nature's masterpieces, inhabiting almost every corner of our planet Earth, from the Arctic to the warmest of rainforests.
Yeah, hey, good evening everybody. Welcome to Creek Park Bird Show. Hi! Hello! Perfect. Today we're going to meet lots of birds from different countries, different regions and different places.
Well, my name is Cassius Pell, and of course there are 10,000 species of living birds in the world.
That's right, and my name is Sid. We are talking about the parrots. Now remember, we have more than 395 species of parrots around the world.
So this time we are talking about the third largest parrots in the world. To raise the UA flag so we can start. Alright, so what are we waiting for?
This time he's going to be coming up. He's the golden blue macaw, and his name is Mr. Star. Come on everybody, put your hands together. We're going to raise the UAE flag, Spirit of the Union. Let's do it! Yeah, hey! Hey, oh, hey, yo! That's right, all the way. He says that's just educational. Putting up all the way. Say bye-bye to Storm, good job.
The cutest cockatoos in the world.
Yeah.
The Gala pink cockatoo, and her name is
Pinky, very famous in Australia. Girls like to keep this bird a lot because of the color of the body.
divided in 4 colors by variation. Some of them are black, gray, white, and pink.
Now we're gonna give you a closer look of her. She's still a baby, only 2 years old. Now, girls like the bird because they are one of the most friendly birds also in the bird family. They like to eat sunflower seeds, and early in the morning they like to whistle. The whistle sounds something like this. That's how they whistle. Now when the birds are happy, we are talking to the top of the birds will always like to spread their wings. Pinky, are you happy? Look at that. She is happy with her. Now how you know the boy and the girl? Remember in the pink cockatoo, the female has a black eyes. The boy has a little light red eyes. They are very beautiful. Putting up all the way, these birds are mostly found in Australia and also they come from the Amazon rainforest. We're gonna send them home. Let's say goodbye to Pinky, everybody. Bye bye. All home sweet home. No? Alright, here we go. So let's go. There comes Mr. Storm to play his game, basketball. Here we are. Hit it.
He really loves to play basketball like the NBA superstar.
Yeah.
This is LeBron James style, but he misses it. Okay, so let's get ready to take a shot one more time. Wow, I love it. Come on, go get it and take a shot. How about the damn shot for you?
Wow, good boy. You gonna go one more to go?
Copy the sounds of Isaiah Thomas.
Wow,
I
see
love
how
it.
amazing it is. Now he's not good at playing basketball, he's also good at playing the ring race. Where he's gonna pick up the right color ring and put it in the right stick. The red and blue.
Okay, we have red and blue. So it should be on the red side. That's right. This is the third largest parrot in the world and he weighs about 850 grams.
That's right, he likes to do it all day long, playing in some games. Hey, you're not playing, you can stop playing. Yes, the red one and the red stick. Good boy. Keep going, keep going. That's right, now we got the blue ring.
Take the last one.
Good job! Now, any one of you can tell me how did he knows to put the blue stick, the blue ring and the blue stick, the red ring and the red stick? How he knows it? Anyone? Take a guess, we will help you. Some of them think it's because of the color. Now remember the bird, the seal and the dolphins are color blind. They cannot see color. But they can see black and white. But in black and white, they have different kinds of shades. Like we say blue, light blue, dark blue, navy blue. Like they have black, grey, light blue, off-white and white. Some recycling now. What do we do when we see rubbish around the house? Hey bro, what do we do?
Never ignore. All you have to do is just pick it up and put it in the dustbin. Recycling, of course, very important to all of us. So we have to keep our place always clean to stop this phenomenal climate change.
Hey, good
So
boy.
we have to help our planet Earth. Alright, so one more. Let's get ready. Put it and you have to close it.
He dropped it down. Good job. All set to
Close it.
Good boy. We're going some more and more all the way. Goodbye to Mrs. Storm. Bye bye. Thank you for joining us. Bro.
It's a symbol of love.
Wow. You know my favorite color is white because white stands for symbol of peace. Okay, let me ask you, ma'am, which is your favorite color? 6 years old and their husband and a wife.
Their names are Bella and
And
Edward.
Edward, here they come. The rainbow parakeets parrot.
These parrots are found in Australia. They live in groups like 10, 20s, and they love to eat some sweet fruits
Yes,
like banana with honey.
marshmallow, watermelon.
Yes.
All set to go, put it up all the way. And they like to do eat all you can also, bro.
Really?
Yes.
There are only 3 subspecies of the rainbow parrots. They call this bird also as the rainbow lorikeets.
Now we're gonna select some of you to come down and feed the bird. Who wants to feed the bird? Raise your hands up. The trainers will call you. Come one by one, they're gonna call you. Feeding the bird is one of the most amazing experience, like feeding the animals in the mountain. Bro, can you tell everybody which is the national sports of Philippines?
Sipak takraw. You know, like softball, but using their feet. Sipak takraw.
It's a national sport,
Yes.
but I thought it was always basketball.
No, basketball is, well, the legend.
Same
Everybody
like,
loves this kind of sport.
same like India also. India is known for. Awesome. We're gonna do. Can we try with her if you don't mind? Come, princess.
At the map of pharmacy.
First stop behind Galaxy Apartment. Last one. You're gonna do the last one. That's right, putting all the way. Alright, we're gonna send the rainbow parakeets home. Bye bye. We're gonna have more birds coming. We have to send them over here. They're gonna go home all the way. Alright, boys, coming up. Their names are Snow and Clyde. They are really fantastic and amazing parrots. There they come. Now the special thing about both the birds is this is called the black patch cockatoo. This is the only bird in the world that can reach up to 100 years of age. This is the fourth largest macaw called the scarlet macaw. They are all set to go with her. And they can grow up to 75. Now how they are special? Because they both are connected to each other. Remember, if this bird is not eating, he will also not eat. That's the brothership. If he is not playing, he will also not play. But when it comes to dancing, they don't like each other. Now this one can go up to 100 years. So, according to you, how old is he? Okay, he is only 3 years old. He's still a baby till now, still have to grow. When he's 10 years old, he will become the double of the size what he's right now. And this scarlet macaw can be recognized by the feathers. How long the feather grows, the longer they are. The feather's still short, so he's 3.5 years old now. Alright, we are ready for the dance. Saki, ready? Are you ready? Okay, get ready. Now friends, you tell me who is the best dancer among them. They don't like each other when they dance. We're going to show you right now. Hey DJ.
Yes.
Best friends, they like me too much.
Your best friend?
Yes.
These two parents?
Yeah.
Okay, ask them.
Why you don't believe me?
No.
Ask Snow. Tell everybody that I'm your best friend, right? You like me, right? I'm your friend?
You like it? He said no.
No. Clyde, tell everybody I like you like me. He said, who am I? There you go. We're gonna send them home, say bye bye, goodbye to Snow, goodbye to Clyde. Oh sweet home, that's right. Bye Rika. Alright, listen to it carefully. These birds have a very good eyesight. They can look at people and recognize, identify people how they are by the behavior. Hello, just okay. Coco, you say hello to everybody. Coco. You say hello. What was it? Hello. My name is Dale. You know they are very good identifying people as I told you. I'm going to prove you now. Okay, take it up for you. Ma'am, can you please stand up for 1 minute? You just stand up in your place. Okay, Coco, look at her and tell everybody how is she looking today? Wow. Oh, he thinks you look good, ma'am. Thank you so much for your question. Now she's looking beautiful. As I told you, they are very good in identifying. Let me ask you, how am I looking today? Hey, tell everybody how I'm looking. Handsome?
I cannot believe what he said to you, see.
What is mataba?
I think he is telling the truth.
But what is mataba?
Mataba means that you are fat. You have to believe in this.
Hey, I don't believe the
Ask the kids.
Oh, you know they say kids never lie, bro.
Of course.
Okay, this boy, come here fast. Come on top. Tin! Give me a high five. Give me a... Everybody clap here. Here they come. This is a beautiful family of the Sun Corners. They are really amazing and beautiful birds. They like to fly all the time. They are very noisy birds. Everybody look at the DJ. He's going to show you some sunflower seeds. The bird will come sit over your body. You can take picture on your phones and your cameras and you can show it to your family members. It's only once in a lifetime that you can come feed the birds and take an amazing picture. Now feeding the birds is going to be tomorrow at 12:30. If you want to feed the birds, please do come with the Free Park Bird Show again. Meanwhile, they're gonna go to sleep. Everybody, with this, we come to the end of the show. Thank you for joining us, Greek Park Bird Show. Masalama. Good night, everybody. God bless everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you, friends. Good night.
Come to the end of the bird show and see the beautiful parrots flying around. It was a quite beautiful show. Everybody should come and see this at least once. See the birds still flying around. It's so beautiful, means so beautiful. See this. They are still here. Very good. That said, I hope everybody liked this video of the Dubai Bird Show. Please give a like and give your comment. Thank you and see you on the next video. Thank you.